Okay, here we are once again. This is David Nunn, Realtor with Keller Williams Realty, and today we're standing in front of 12232 Miranda Street in Valley Village, California. It's a drop-dead gorgeous property. You've got to see this one. Unbelievable workmanship. Exterior, interior, beautiful. Just so that you know, I am the showing agent on this property, not the listing agent. What we have here is a 2-bedroom, 2.5-bath property. It's approximately 1,634 square feet. Lot size is 8,235 square feet. She was built in 1949. That's according to the assessor's data records. This property features a pool. It's a black bottom pool, and it has a 3-car garage. There's an additional workshop area plus office. So we're going to grab the camera and do a quick walkthrough. 3-car garage down the side of the house. Drought tolerant landscaping. Wood-like flooring. Beautiful fireplace. Bonus room. Could be converted to a 3rd bedroom. And 1 bedroom. Closet. Bath. Dining room area. Double fireplace. Master. Half bath. Shower. Obviously the kitchen. Slider for the appliances. Kind of cool, huh? Pool is black bottom. Built-in barbecue and sink. Another fireplace. Workshop area. And you have office space. Basically, it's set up as a his and hers office space. Fantastic. And then also plenty of material storage for your workshop area. Fantastic. This could be converted to a studio if you happen to be a musician. So once again, it's David Nunn with Keller Williams Realty. Property is 12232 Miranda Street. Happen to be interested in it, give me a call, 818-300-3030. And we thank you very, very much.